Hey guys, got a short video here. I'm actually testing out a new drone that we got at work, and it's a Skydio 2 Plus. And this drone is really cool. It flies itself completely. All I'm using is my cell phone and what they call the beacon. And I'm not controlling this thing at all. It's just following me, and it does a really good job at that. Check this out here, where I almost get hit by a bus. Well, that was a close one. I slammed on the brakes, my daughter fell out of the golf cart, and I had to clean my pants. But anyway, I was just learning how to use this thing, and basically with that beacon I have in my hand, that has GPS, the drone follows that, the drone has GPS, and the beacon, the only controls on it really are a plus and minus and a kind of circular sort of button with arrows to make it look different directions. But check out this obstacle avoidance here with this tree. So that was pretty amazing, I think, how it missed that tree and then it came right around again and got back on my right side. And when I first started using the beacon, I thought those directional controls were something like, you know, it always stays on your right side or it always stays in front of you like it is right now. But as I edit this video, I notice that's not the case. Because here I start to go around a curve, and as I go around the curve, you can see it's not staying directly in front of me like this, but it's kind of more of a side view of me now as I go around this curve. So what I think those directional arrows actually are on the beacon controller is like a northern or easting of what direction the camera is looking. So you can see it's missing a tree right now, but it's going to jump back around and kind of look in that same direction it was originally, even though, you know, after I run around that curve. So anyway, I just think that's a really neat feature. So if you always want it to be looking, say, southwest, no matter what you're doing, it'll always continue looking southwest. Alright, so here's a point I got a little bit nervous. There's quite a few power lines going on right here, and you can see transformer and lines and everything else. And the drone was on the other side of it, as you can see, and I was wanting to go down that gravel road, and I didn't really know what to do, so I decided to just screw it, see what happens. And it went through those lines there, and then it went under these lines or through them. I don't know. I was pretty amazed. I was pretty nervous because it's about a $3,000 drone, and anyway, made it right through. Again, I did nothing with the controllers. I just drove.